4.2 division. The senior 4.2 division from Wake Forest, North Carolina. Will you please make welcome the Wake Forest All-Stars, the Gray Wolves.
When it comes to competition, my match relentless. Traveling packs, that's our point of attack. No slack coming from us, we're on top of our game. We have the speed and the staff, we're too wild to tame.
Together in the pack, Gray Wolves moving in. Gray Wolves never stop until we conquer and win. Wolves in the house, rules dominate the net. Gray Wolves.
All-Stars, Gray Wolves.